enough, it needs to be configured, secured, and monitored. And to monitor properly, we need to look at the logs and the metrics. That's exactly where AWS automation comes in, connecting everything together so you don't have to do it manually. Now, a raw EC2 instance is like an empty room. Like to fulfill it in it, like you need to furniture, electricity, and all the essentials. That's exactly what cfn-init does for EC2. It bootstraps the server, installing packages, setting up the configuration files, and getting everything ready so your application can actually run. But there's one more important player here is secret manager. See, things like database password, API key, or token should never be hard-coded into your templates. So that's very risky. Instead, you store them securely in system manager or secret manager parameter stores. So both services keep in your values safe and encrypted. So and you can inject them straight into your EC2 or application at runtime. So this way your app gets what it needs, but your secret stays centralized and secure.
Great. Now our server is running and secure. But here's the big questions. How do we monitor it? So that's where CloudWatch comes in. CloudWatch continuously collects the data, metrics, logs. For example, you can track CPU, memory, and network usage. So, and if CPU usage goes above 80% for 5 minutes, CloudWatch can send you an alert through SNS or SQS, or even trigger auto scaling automatically. So your infrastructure is not just running, it's being watched, protected, and ready to react. So let's correct all the things we have discussed here. First, CloudFormation launches the EC2 instances, our blueprint in action. Then CFN init bootstrap the servers, installing packages and configured it automatically. And next, SSM Parameter Store. So its secrets manager securely provides the sensitive data values like database password or API key. And finally, CloudWatch monitors the instance, collecting metrics and trigger alarms or auto scaling when needed. So together, these pieces are form a hands-free, secure, and production-ready workflow with everything fully automated. And that's how AWS services like EC2, CFN, init, SSM parameter stores, and CloudWatch fits together. So like Lego blocks building a complete system. Once you understand this flow, you can design infrastructure that's not just reliable but fully automated. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more AWS deep dives and hands-on tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Strinosoft Insights and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one.